Look, Shadow Trance, instant Shadow Ball. Woo! Woohoo! And that's how it's done, boys. Wait, do we get a Burning Charm? Wait, those are used for something. Banishes a Thundering Exile. What does that mean? Wait, I don't need to do that. I literally have Banish.
Banish this.
I'm freaking banishing.
Poor Olivia.
She knew what she signed up for when she came in this stream. Oh, dude, that thing that I said to Fate while you guys were playing today, like there was like a joke or something like that where he's like, I'm straight, and then I said in his chat when they were like trio streaming, I'm like, he's only straight when I'm not around, and he read that and he was like, what the hell? What the hell? He's like, yeah, very funny, dude, very funny, and I'm like, oh, dude, what? He's like, very funny, buddy. I laughed super hard. Bite me, Fark. Olivia! Olivia! This is a farm full of cows. I'm wanting every single one of them. Whoever has skinning is going to have a field day. Unless these cows were used for a quest and I just stifled someone's progress on their quest. In which case, I feel bad. He's a dork. I'm not a dork. I'm a man with hopes and dreams. I want to go to the fair someday. I want to ride the bumper car. Oh, Fate is a dork. Yeah, Fate is a dork, but I love him. Like, when you guys were trio streaming, I was watching for, like, a good portion of it, from when you, went into get, Ashes of Alar to when you tried to get Invincible. I was watching that entire time, and, like, I was watching from his camera, because you had to share a chat anyway, so, you know, it doesn't matter, but I was watching from his point of view, and, it's only because he had the microwave in the background, and I was so invested in what he was going to put in that microwave. Because the first stream I ever tuned in, he's like, hold on guys, I gotta put something in the microwave, and then like he just got up and like that was content. I was like, what's going in the microwave? And like this stream I was just staring at the microwave. I'm like, what's he gonna put in it next? I was so invested. He put his coffee in the microwave. Oh, okay. Okay. Nah, like, dude has a microwave right behind his gaming setup. Like, that is BIS. If I had that, I would not leave my bedroom. Everything would be microwaved. Oh, want to make some eggs? Microwaved. Oh, want to reheat?
Microwave eggs are actually kind of bis if you do them properly.
Yes, a mug egg.
Yes. With some hot sauce.